We are going to show you how to set up and check calibration of an AS9000 capacitance amplifier with a 2.5mm range sensor using a KDCH3 calibration fixture. For this video, we are using an AS50 CTA probe, which has a basic range of 1.25mm, and within our amplifier we can use the range extender with an X2 push to increase the probe range ×2 for a system range of 2.5mm. The AS9000 demo system is supplied with two ASP 100 CTA probes which have a basic range of 0 to 2.5mm, so no range extension within the amplifier is needed. The upper end of the range is 10 volts DC, which corresponds to 2.5mm, but sometimes it can be used up to 11 volts. However, we guarantee our accuracy up to 10 volt DC full scale, and this is shown in the supplied calibration curve. Our linearity with this system is better than plus or minus 0.01% full scale range. First, we'll turn on the AC power switch on the AS9000 amplifier and allow it to warm up for 15 or 20 minutes. A ground clip is connected from the rear panel ground banana jack on the back of the amplifier, and the opposite end is connected to the ground connection of the calibration fixture. This ground clip is needed to complete the ground path circuit back to the AS9000 amplifier. The sensor probe's BNC cable is connected to the input or channel 1 front panel amplifier of the AS9000, and the sensor is mounted to the KDCH3 calibration fixture using the mounting clamp as shown. Insert it into the fixture and tighten the mounting screws and place the probe flush with the target. The micrometer on the calibration fixture is adjusted clockwise to contact the probe. And I've adjusted the reading so that it's at 0 on the micrometer. The micrometer on the calibration fixture is adjusted counterclockwise to get to a gap of 1.25mm, which corresponds to half gap. At this point, the display should read close to 5 volts. The micrometer is further rotated counterclockwise to read 2.5mm or 100 mils of full gap. And the resultant voltage should be pretty close to 10.0 volts. The front panel offset button can be depressed, indicating with the blue LED on, and this will then adjust our output. And here it goes from 10 volts to 8 volts, or any other value can be selected by turning the offset potentiometer in the front of the unit. The voltage reading can be either read on the front panel digital display of the amplifier or in a separate digital voltmeter connected to the rear terminals for channel 1. As you can see in the previous step, we have rotated the micrometer 4 complete turns, and this corresponds, when it's resting at 0, to 2.5mm full gap. And we can also see the gap from the sensor probe to the target is 2.5mm. And if the display shows 10 volts, then the amplifier and probe are properly calibrated. This video shows how easy it is to check the calibration of the AS9000 amplifier, and this combination of the AS9000 amplifier with the MTI probes provides a very high resolution and repeatable system with very accurate readings each and every time.